Hello everyone, welcome to this course. I am Avdesh God. In this video, we'll learn about filters, what they are, and how to use them. Let's go through it. We are using exactly the same dataset that we connected to in the very first section. Here we'll try to find out the percentage attrition based on the educational field. Drag the educational field to rows shell. Well, I prefer to call it as the educational background. So let's rename it. All you need to do is right click on the field, select rename, and hit enter. This looks better and more specific by now. We'll drag the attrition field to column shell in order to have a cross tab. Let's now have a look at the number of resources left and retained by dragging the number of records to the view. So for human resources, 7 resources have left and 20 have been retained. Whereas the total number of records or the total number of resources were 20 plus 7 as 27. In order to compute the percentage attrition, we need a calculation, which I've already written. Let's have a look at that. So in the numerator, we are taking the number of records with attrition selected as yes, which in the case of human resources is 7. And the denominator, we are taking as the sum of number of records, which in the case of human resources is 20 plus 7 as 27. Here we have used the fixed level of detailed expression based on the educational background field. We'll discuss about the fixed level of detailed expression as well as the calculated fields in detail in section 3. Let's continue with this calculation as of now. We'll drag the attrition to view as well. For now, let's remove the number of records. For the time being, we are only interested in the number of attrition. So let's remove the attrition selected as no out of the view. For that, bring the attrition field to filters. Uncheck no and select OK. This is how we can use filters. Looks like the attrition rate for human resources is the highest, closer to around 26%, followed by technical degree for around 24%. Thank you for watching.